Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, good evening. Good evening. So this is Sir Pilio Maestro. Guess what? Nakatsyempohan ko. It's just new for me and he tells me na 1 month na daw siya nandito. No? Check. Ay, hindi masyadong visible. Ayan. Okay. Check the area. That's going to what do you call this one? JBL. Yeah, that's the landmark. Okay, JBL. And papunta naman doon, landmark natin doon is the Campo Libas, no? And going to Assumption also, no? Yung place niya is dito mismo. Check. San Jose. Buwan Puro. And na-chempuhan ko, no? It's an Arabic taste. No, it's an Arabic taste. It's Abdullah Arabic shawarma and biryani. And I taste the karak tea. Talaga sarap, guys. At ayun na siya. Okay. Mamaya kukulitin natin siya. No? Medyo busy time. Ayan. So binigyan tayo ng green lights. Okay. So that's what's your name? Muhammad. Yeah, that's Muhammad.
Hello.
He is the owner of this one. Together with wifey. Yeah, that's the wifey. Okay. And their son, it's Abdullah. That's why the name of the store is guys, you should try this one. Okay, so
Authentic shawarma.
so authentic, check. Hindi ko naman sinisiraan yung ibang mga shawarma outlets, no? But this one is great. It's a taste of Arabic talaga. If you are, what do you call this one? You want to have a taste of the international. Hindi na kayo pupunta. Hindi nyo kailangan pumunta, no, sa mismong abroad. Dito lang sa San Fernando, meron na pala. So, ayan. This is just a small shop. It's just a small shop. Okay. Okay. So, small shop lang siya, guys, no? But of course, hindi ko papakita yung mismong mga menu niya. Siyempre, for her confidentiality, no? Hindi pala her, his confidentiality pala. Okay. So, hintay lang natin siya, guys. Naman na matapos, check. Okay. Come and visit us, guys. So cool, huh? Okay guys, ito medyo patapos na siya, no? Istorbohin lang natin siya ng konti para invite kayo, no, dito sa mismong of course, the shop niya, the eatery. Ayan. If you want to have Arabic taste, no, the shawarma, the biryani, dyan lang sa Muhammad. Abdullah pala, I'm sorry, Abdullah. Okay. Medyo anayin muna natin siya. Muhammad, can I ask for you minutes for you? Can you kindly invite our viewers? Yeah.
Just follow them and share our life
Okay.
and visit us in Abdullah Arabic Shawarma. San Jose, Banduan, San Fernando, Pampanga.
And madam, the wifey.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Visit po kayo dito sa Abdullah Arabic Shawarma. Place of Middle East, 20 original.
Ang sarap guys, okay? I invite you. First time, for sure I will come. Second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, really.
Always this restaurant for you.
Yeah. Thank you, Muhammad. And
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, please, Pilyo Maestro.